Now, and welcome to this tutorial on making and sending a birthday card. So it's my mum's birthday soon, and my son has designed an image ages ago of her standing by her shed in her garden, which is an image that she really likes. So you might start with a photo of somebody, or just something that's relevant to the person that you're making the birthday card for. So that's what I'm starting with. I'm going to grab hold of this image, remove the grey background, add this text, and find this little antivirus logo type thing. So I'll start with the image. So I'm going to start a new, let's see, open image, and there we are. Okay, so imagine this is a photo that you are going to use to base your card on. I've used the magic wand tool and clicked on the grey, deleted the background, and there's a little bit of grey in there and a little bit in there between her and the frog that is on her shoulder. Like you do. Control D to deselect, and we have the beginnings of our card. So I'm going to add the text first. So that's text tool T, and click to add a layer. Yes, add a layer. So what did I call it? Apocalypse, A-P-O, Apocalypse. Proof gin bunker. Okay, just do the spell check on that word. Apocalypse. Yep, cool. Right, and then we'll move this down. Alright, good. Shift it down there. And I like this font. Jacot there. Don't know. That one. And I'm going to have it in black. Of a decent size. Let's try it. Don't know. What does that look like? Looks like it might work. Just shift it up. Okay, remove the line spacing so that's close together. Clear line spacing about there. No, about there. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, cross that off. Right, and then my text is going to be, so it's black. I'm going to give it a white outline. So first of all, I've got to rasterize the text. So it takes it from being text to just being shapes. And then I'm going to adjustment, where's it gone? Filter. There we go, outer glow. I'm going to give it 2 outer glows, which for some reason works better than one double the size. So apply that, and I'm going to apply it again. Yeah, come on. Right, outer glow. Good, and then a black outer glow. It's just the way I like. What I enjoy doing at the moment. So black, black. Okay, apply. Beautiful. Right, so that's my text done. Apocalypse proof gin bunker. She'll find that funny. Okay. Then I looked for. I wanted like that antivirus logo thing. So I started with virus, which got me these ones. But I want the sort of the stop sign thing. So if I put stop in front of that, stop virus, then you get this. That's better. Still not great. I'm going to put so that I got so I get a transparent background and cheat a little bit. I'm going to put PNG on the end of it, and I'm going for this image. Is it? No, that looks terrible. That one. That one will do. Okay. So click on this one, and there's the transparency. Right. So I'm going to right click on this one and copy, and then go back to Photo P. Sorry, Pixlr, and Control V to paste. And it's coming quite large. Right. I'm going to go with the Move tool, which gives me these grab handles that I can shrink it down, and I can put it in the window. Let's just make it small enough so I can put it in the window without going over the door handle. Right, so there's my image finished. I'm going to save it. So file, save, and it's always a good idea to do the Pixlr PXD version first. So birthday card. Version 1. So I say, oh, just going to do Control A, Control C, which will select all of the text. Oh, birthday. So Control A, Control C to copy the text for saving next time. So download, and then close. Save the JPEG so I can use it for making the birthday card. There you go. PNG, JPEG, doesn't really matter. JPEG gives you, so PNG allows you to keep the transparency, but I don't need it. I don't think. Actually, you know what? Keep it just in case. Download. Right, and then I searched for design your own birthday cards, and there are a couple of companies I've tried this with that didn't quite get along with, so I'm going to go for Snapfish to see how this works out. I haven't done this before, so you need to bear with me. Okay, so birthday cards, design your own. Create now. So paper, yes. Size, okay. Or quantity, even. Just the one, I guess. Create now. Right. Read the instructions. Yep. Okay, I'm going to add a photo. So from my computer. Select photos. And I'm going with that one is the one that I've just saved. So upload that. I think that's done. Don't think I've got anything else to add. I don't suppose you can drag and drop. Ooh. Oh wow, that's clever. So resize it. I want it as big as possible because it's taking up. It is the card. So let's see how that works. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, and then inside the card. Okay, we're going to choose a layout. Don't want any photos at this state in this one. So let's go for that one. Yeah, okay. So it'd be something like Dear Mum. And then you can write your message in there. And then continue on to checkout. Let's just quickly add something. Take you through the rest of the process. See what happens. Happy birthday, of course. Okay, let's go for that. So back of card. Suppose you can add your own logos and stuff if you wanted to. Anyway, let's do review and buy. So there's the photo that we've made. There's the text that we've just put in. Obviously, put far more text than that in because that's just cheating. Got to write lovely messages to your mum. Anyway, add to cart and off we go. So you then need to sign up or whatever it is that the website needs. There's loads of websites that do this. I've chosen Snapfish because I've tried the other websites and for some reason they didn't work out. Okay, so I've shown you how to design a card using an image that you think you know that your intended victim is going to enjoy, and then download it and then upload it into a card website, manipulate it, which means change it, and then go for the card. So that's all of it. As always, have a look outside. If it's not raining, go and take a walk, get some fresh air. And I shall see you on the next video.